Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup using Knorr. First, choose your favorite Knorr soup mix from the many delicious options available. Next, gather all the necessary ingredients, typically just water, but sometimes milk or other additions are suggested. Always take a moment to read the specific instructions on your Knorr package. They provide crucial details for the best results. This ensures you have everything ready before you begin cooking. Now, let's get cooking. In a saucepan, combine the Knorr soup mix with the precise amount of cold water indicated on the package. Whisk it well to ensure there are no lumps. Place the pan over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it gently simmer for the time specified, usually around 5 to 7 minutes. To elevate your Knorr soup, consider adding fresh vegetables like carrots or peas, or even some cooked chicken or beef for a heartier meal. This is a great way to customize it to your liking. Feel free to season with your favorite herbs and spices, perhaps a pinch of black pepper or some fresh parsley. Once it's perfectly heated and seasoned, ladle your delicious, homemade soup into bowls and serve it hot. Enjoy every spoonful. Here are a few extra tips for your Knorr soup experience. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They'll stay fresh for up to 3 days. For an even richer, deeper flavor, try substituting some of the water with vegetable or chicken broth. It makes a noticeable difference. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic deals, including those amazing darn tough socks. They truly are worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.